Alright, let's do this.
So today in our vending machine adventure number 2 is ta-da! Coca-Cola vending machine. So they have hot and cold here. They have coffee, and I guess this is a hot chocolate. This is the one that I'm getting. It's hot. It's Georgia brand, but it's under Coca-Cola, I guess. It's quite pricey this time. 150 yen. So today I'm getting myself a Georgia hot chocolate. It's from Coca-Cola brand. It's warm, it's really warm, especially on winter like this. Let's give it a try. The smoke coming out, I mean it's warm. So it's warm. It's slightly sweet, but it's not that thick as I thought it'd be. It's not that bad. So from my SN chocolate expert, I'll give it 7 out of 10, which is okay. Georgia coffee. Sumpah.
Sedap ke?
Damn it.